Okay, these are our new Pavilion Sleekbooks. We've got our Pavilion Sleekbook 14 with a 14-inch display, our Pavilion Sleekbook 15 with a 15.6-inch display. Both of these are very thin, lightweight, with a really good-looking ID to them. We've got a sparkling black finish, which actually looks like it has a kind of a sparkle to it when you see it in the right light. And a ruby red finish, which has a subtle pattern behind it. Just makes it look a little bit richer. The finish, of course, is on the lid, on the palm rest and keyboard surround, full-size island-style keyboards, Dolby Advanced audio for great sound. A lot of the HP innovations you expect, like Protect Smart to protect your hard drive in case it's jarred or it unexpected motion. They've got Cool Sense to keep your machine noticeably cooler when it's in motion, like on your lap, on your knee, or on your hand, like I'm holding it. And of course, they'll come with Windows 8. And these are available with both AMD and Intel processor options, and with NVIDIA discrete graphics as an option also. We haven't finalized pricing yet on these, but we're expecting around $500 as a starting price. So for a machine, think of it for a student, think of it for a very small business that buys in retail. Machine this thin, this light, at just a fantastic price. The NVM4, well, last May we introduced our NVM6. That's a 15.6-inch machine. It's just a little bit thinner and a little bit lighter than our Pavilion DV6. Here we've got the NVM4, slightly thinner, slightly lighter than our Pavilion DV4. But this one is for a user who wants the full power CPUs, up to 8 gigabytes of RAM, large hard drives, and still wants an optical drive. Maybe they need to burn DVDs, something like that. So that optical drive becomes important. All the connectivity you'd expect, USB, HDMI. It does continue to have a VGA port. And of course more USB and wired internet under the little cover. With so much internet these days being wireless, covering that wired internet just seems to make sense. Metal case, metal keyboard surround. This one has Simple Pass, and that's pretty important to me. It means I can store all of my logon passwords, all of my website logins and passwords. They're all securely stored behind my fingerprint, and I just swipe the fingerprint to fill them in. Full-size island-style keyboard, optional backlight for the keyboard, and of course Beats audio with a subwoofer. So if you need a machine that's very portable, well under an inch thin, very light, and of course has all the power and all those options, the M4 is a really good choice for you.
All right, good morning. My name is Daron Chalk, and I'd like to talk about business PCs, and in particular AMD business PCs. So this October and November, we are introducing a new portfolio of AMD products geared specifically towards our business customers. So first, let's talk about desktops. There's a lot of excitement around notebooks and tablets, but a lot of customers, business customers, enterprise class customers still purchase a lot of desktops. And AMD is a big part of that portfolio. We have here a mini tower and a small form factor. These are the ProBook. The Pro 6305 desktops. These represent a grounds-up design for business. I'm going to open this up to show you what I think is a really outstanding design. This is our small form factor. We have a lot of business customers. As cubicle sizes are shrinking, as we see more hoteling, we're seeing a move towards the smaller desktops. But these designs are really outstanding. They're completely serviceable. You notice I was able to remove the hood just with my hand. Everything inside is toolless. Everything from the power supply to the hard drive, the optical drive, everything you can upgrade services you need to using just your hands. These products have a very long life cycle, which our business customers love. As they deploy these products globally, We provide at least 15 months of stability for the hardware and the software. We also provide HP software, including security software, manageability software, including data encryption, a lot of security around our BIOS that allows customers to, in a very simple manner, protect their data. Desktops are also very popular because, unlike notebooks and tablets, they don't end up in the backseat of a taxi. So a lot of customers really enjoy their desktops. Now, in addition to desktops, we do have some notebooks as well. I have two of them here. This is the 4545S, and this is a 11.6-inch model. Again, trying to provide a lot of choice and flexibility for our customers. We have an all-in-one AMD-based product that we're also launching. I don't have it here, but the nice thing about AMD and all of these products, we have our desktops with the A4, A6, A8, and A10 processors, the same A-series processors in our notebooks. AMD brings to the table great performance, especially on the graphics side. So as customers, business customers increasingly use more media applications, whether it is teleconferencing, whether it is watching a webinar, whether it's streaming something else from the web, or even using Windows 8, the graphics performance in these products has an opportunity to really shine, and it provides great longevity. The same is true for the notebooks with great battery life, and the all-in-ones, as we see an increasing need for customers to consolidate and to save room in terms of the footprint. The all-in-ones we're continuing to see grow in the business market as well. So we're very excited about this business PC portfolio. AMD is a big part of that, and all of this will be rolling out in October and November.